After the party, Lightning McQueen decided to cry himself to sleep from all the grief from all of his friends turning against him. When he heard something outside the window. Huh? What's that noise? Huh? I should go check it out. Vroom vroom. Vroom vroom. Vroom vroom vroom. Vroom 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 vroom. Vroom 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 vroom. Oh, I'm gonna just go check outside and make sure no one's out there. Hello? Anyone out there? Hello? There's something out there. I got a barricade. With this. So heavy. Something's out there. Something's out there. I think I'm barricaded. Whatever's out there, it's not gonna get inside. Until Lightning McQueen thought he was safe. Until he looked at the door. I think I'm all safe. I hope it can't find me while I'm in my bed. Man, this is really scary. I think if I'm just in my bed, I'll be alright. I hear it. It's coming. If I stand still, it won't see me. I think it's gone. I'm gonna go check the house. Mater! Mater, get up! Get up, Mater! Mater! No, it can't be. Maybe it's just an illusion. I'll keep going. Something's in the house, I think. Let's listen. You hear it? Maybe I'll be safe outside in the garden. Oh man, it's really dark out here. I can barely see anything. I'm gonna try and find a flashlight. Oh, here's the shed. Oh, flashlight. Let me get it. Let me turn you on. Alright. Oh, I can see now. I just turned the power generator and I can see. I don't see him. I don't see him. Guys, this is really scary. Maybe I'll be safe in the barn. I think I'm safe in here.
No, you are.
Huh? No one ever heard of Lightning McQueen again.